2735 La Porte. Some items were left behind on the curb in the trash. It's actually pretty normal for people to leave this kind of trash. This outlet doesn't look damaged, and I don't see any other outlets, any GFCIs that otherwise may be damaged. I'm running the dishwasher right now just to see if there's any problems with the new line here. As you can see, this was not replaced. This was. They've capped this off, and there are no damaged GFCIs in the kitchen. Okay, just a normal closet. The valance to this is sitting here. I see one clip on it. I see one valance clip. Okay, we'll see if that's leaking. I'm gonna let that run for a bit. It does look like it was fixed, but I'll let that run. We can come back and check it. The shower door was working fine during close of escrow, still is. They left the light, which is good. Sometimes people try and take off with light fixtures. Let's go back and check this leak.